In this video of the Crown Comtech D Series video manual series, we're going to walk you through how to connect to the web-based control UI to configure and change settings of your amplifiers. The web UI for these amps can be opened with most popular web browsers, and therefore can be accessed from most devices on your network, from computers to phones to tablets. While no software is required besides a browser to access the web UI, you will need to know the amp's IP address. The AVX Manager software can be used to find the amp's IP address if you don't know it. In this example, we've already got the amp connected and discovered in AVX Manager. If you can't see your amp in AVX Manager, then pause this video and check out our video on network setup and troubleshooting for the AVX suite of software. Links will be in the description below. With the amp visible in AVX Manager, you can simply select the amp, then click the Launch Web Page button to launch the web UI. We'll go deeper into the web UI in a different video. For other devices to access the web UI, they must be on the same network that the amp's connected to. Enter the IP address of the amp that we found in AVX Manager into the address bar of your web browser and go. The web UI should load into the browser and you can begin your configuration of the amp. Check out our next video, where we'll explore the web UI more and look at some of the DSP features and configuration options available. If you're still having issues with your amplifier, then give us a call or start a chat with us. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at crownaudio.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmanpro.com.